ते कितें पात्रां कोण आसा न्हू तेमी तें करचें पडटा मागीर काम म्हणटा बाबा करून दिया तुमी मागीर हें काम आमचें लास्टाक आमी करचें पडटा पूण आमी पासेस घेवन हें काम करता थोडे म्हणटा काकाणा कित्याक करना पूण काकाणा करपाक इजी न्हू तें आतां पाव आमी करता पण पाव करपाक जाता पूण पाव आतां तुमी पयलें आसतलें हे काकाणा करपाक कितलो टायम लागता पळय तो आनी कितले मिनीट ताका लागता पळय ते आनी कसो वाव करचो पडटा तो काकाणा नॉर्मली आमचो लास्ट आमचे काबार जालें बट आमी जितले पाव भाजता तितले आमी टेंपरेचर दवरता आनी ही कितें मातशें टेंपरेचर खोल आहा न्हू ताका लागून हें रावचें पडटा आमकां ही काकाणा करपाक बाबा तुका गमपाक जाय बाबा तितून कितलो उजो आहा कशें कितें भाजता बाबा इतलो कोर जालो तो उजो त्या टायमार भाजप ना ताका आनी एक अर्द वर रावन ताका मागीर ते बटन घालपाक
म्हणजे सगळ्यान शेवटी तुम्ही काकणा घालता
सगळ्यान शेवटी काकणा करची पडटा
म्हणजे अविनाश म्हाका दिसता भट्टीची हीट जशी इल्ली इल्ली कमी जायत जाता तशी तशी ते
पण मागीर तुम्ही आता सीझन वायज कशें काम करता
हीट बटन सादे तशेंच दवरचें पडटा हीट काय ना आतां कितें आहा हाली पिठाचेर हें आसता आमचें जेन्ना गरमी आसता एप्रील मे म्हयनो पळय आसता जेन्ना आमचो इश्ट बीन घालता न्हू इश्ट बीन घालता तेन्ना तो कमी घालचो पडटा जे मनशाक कशें हीट जाता ते भाशेन आमच्या पिठाक ती हीट जावन येता जेन्ना आमी इश्ट पळय घालता एक 100 ग्राम घालता पळय जे म्हयन्यान एप्रील मे म्हयन्यान आमी 100 घालता तिका 60 ग्राम घालचो पडटा
कमी
घालचो पडटा जेन्ना तेन्ना तें पीठ तुका मनशाक गरमी कशी जाता ते भाशेन तें पीठ तुका फुगोन येता फास्ट फुगोन येता आनी जेन्ना आमचे रेनी सिजन आसा तेन्ना तुका टेंपरेचर पळोवन तें घालचें पडटा केन्नाय आतां तूं जाणा पयलो पावस पडटालो तर अशें आतां पावस पडना केन्नाय पावस पडलो केन्नाय गरमी जाता केन्नाय वत येता केन्नाय खंयच्या टायमार वत येता केन्ना कितें जाता त्या टायमार वेदर पळोवन आमचें हें पळोवन त्या टायमार आमी
म्हणजे ईस्ट प्लेज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट
इम्पॉर्टंट
म्हणजे अविनाश खरे म्हणजे ह्या पिठाक ह्या सिजनान कितले ईस्ट घालपाचे तो फक्त एक पनीरूच सांगू शकता सारको
तेंकां त्याची क्वांटिटी खबर
सारके आयडिया आसता
आतां थंडी जाली थंडी म्हणजे कितें जाता थंडेन तुका पीठ बेगीन फुगना जेन्ना पीठ फुगना म्हणजे आमकां तो 100 घालचो पडटा तुका 120 घालचो पडटा ना 150 ग्राम घालचो पडटा थंड दिसांनी जानेवारी तुका डिसेंबर आमच्या डिसेंबरान आमच्या तुका मार्च डिसेंबर पळय आतां डिसेंबरान येता तेन्ना तुका तो चड हें घालचो पडटा म्हणजे तेन्ना क्लायमेट चेंज जाता तेका लागून तें सांबाळून तें करचें पडटा हें काम
म्हणजे खूप काळजी घेऊन ही सगळी आणि केअरफुल राहून सगळी
कामां करून घेवची पडटा सनीबाब म्हाका दिसता आतां आमची 10-15 मिनटां जाल्ली आसा आमी हे भट्टेन घालया
आतां हें बटन घालया
ओके
बटन घालतना ताका पासेस जाय जे मातशें तो राखड जालें जाल्यार काकोणूय राखणें जाता
गोंयकार खूप कमी आहे या धंद्यात
पयलीं आसलेले गोंयकार सगळे आतां कोण ना सगळे भायले
सगळे भायलेच म्हणजे भायल्यांचेरूच डिपेंड रावचे पडटा
आतां पळय आमी काकाणां घातलेलीं आतां 1 वर्स सुमार जायत आयलें ती आतां काकाणां आमची रेडी जाली ती आमी आतां भायर काडटात हे आतां तुका टेस्ट करपाक पळोवपाक आता काळी च्या घेवपाची आणि हे चायेच्या बराबर खावपाचे
अविनाश एकदम गरम गरम अशी काकणां आसा
हे तर गरम गरम अशी काकणां गरम गरम चाय वांगडा बरी लागतात गावपाडा आणि ती सुद्धा फुटी हा दुधाची चहा बी न्ही कशी आहा काकणां म्हणा जेन्ना तूं च्या काकण बुडयता आनी तूं जेन्ना ओडटा अशें स्ट्रॉन ओडल्या सारको तो हे येता च्याचो फ्लेवर.
गरम गरम चा आणि गरम गरम काकण, नथिंग कॅन बीट इट.
Okay, today we are gonna make dum aloo, but
Dum aloo.
the Kashmiri style.
वाव.
Okay, where we require to stuff the potato with the mashed potato, some cashew nut and the raisins in it. Okay, the flavor should go with the coriander, some jeera powder, some haldi, and a little bit of red chili in it. Okay, that all the things goes together, nicely mix it, and then you stuff it with this parboiled potato, which has already been scooped and kept it. Okay, when you go to the market, get the same size, equal size of the potatoes.
Now
Okay.
this is baby potatoes or normal?
No, normal potato, but which is in a small size.
Smaller size,
Smaller
okay.
size. Okay, and you give a small. If you see, it is balance on the base. Okay, when you peel it, after peeling, you give the small cut on the base for the base, so it can be easily stable. Okay, so after that, there is one scooper, you get it in the market. Do the scooping out. When you are scooping it, one small precaution that it should not pierce from the tear it from the sides and even though from the bottom. Okay, the equal size of the top you have to keep maintain. When you are cooking the potatoes, that should be all potato should be cooked at the same time. Okay, if you see, I have even though cut it on the equal size, so there should not be, you cannot take that, you cannot see that one potato is cooked, one stuffing is cooked properly, another stuffing is not cooked properly. There should not be the complaints from your relatives, from your guest. You have to maintain this thing. Okay, as soon as you scoop it out, okay, put it in the water, which is in a cold one. Always take a precaution, never boil the potato in hot water. Always boil the potato in cold water. Start with the cold water. Okay, when you are boiling the potato, this kind of potatoes, if this is a cut of the potato, you add little water, salt in the water. Even though I have added little bit of turmeric in it to get the yellowish and fresh, it's look fresh in color, right? I have done it just half an hour before. Okay,
And it has not
yeah,
turned
yeah.
black also.
Yeah, it's not turned black also. That means it is not oxidized with the outer climate. Yeah. So you are taking precaution with the color, with your temperature and the cooking with all the time, which gives a very good dish and the very good taste in your dish. Okay. Now we start with the stuffing. Okay, I'll take the mashed potato. Now we put while doing the stuffing, I took the mashed potatoes. Okay, this is chopped cashew nut and the raisins, some coriander powder, little of red chili powder, little of turmeric, little of salt, because I have already added some salt while boiling the potatoes. Okay, little of salt. This you have to mix it nicely. Even though you can add paneer also in this. Yeah, even though add paneer, add some khoya in it. Okay, so you get the nice amount of
यानी ये डिश रेसिपी थोड़ा
वेरी भी कर सकते हो. हाँ, मीठा रहता है, वेरी भी कर सकते हो. इसमें आपको ग्रीन पीस चाहिए, ग्रीन पीस को बॉईल करके थोड़ा सा मैश करके भी डाल सकते हैं उसके अंदर. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट विद द कोल्ड वाटर नाउ, व्हेन इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग बॉयल, just wait for 3 to 4 minutes and switch it off. That is the ideal way of cooking the potatoes. What we are going to do is, we are going to saute it in the oil, just coating it the oil, just going to give the color to the potatoes. Okay, I'm going to put some oil on it. Okay, the oil is hot. We are gonna keep like this.
So I think when we stuff in the potatoes, we have to be very careful that it is properly filled.
Yes. You can see the golden color on the potato.
Yes.
From the all the side. Right. That is the time you can take it out and keep it aside. Okay, and start with the gravy. Add oil in it. Some garam masala, that is tej patta, some cinnamon stick, some cardamom and cloves and black peppercorn. Okay, add some ginger garlic paste, little of green chili paste. Okay, we don't want a lot of spiciness in this. Okay, now you can add some red chili powder, okay, which can give you the color. There's some of the jeera powder, some of the coriander powder. Now the paste in it.
टोमेटो बॉईल करके लिया है या
हाँ, you have to boil the means you have to saute the cashew nut and this thing.
टोमेटो
Yeah, cashew nut, tomato and all the things with the butter and little of water just to simmer the tomatoes in it. Okay, not the fully dipped and this. You have to give a boil with the salt and the sugar, that is seasoning.
बाद में मिक्सर पे
Yeah, then
ग्राइंड
you do
करके
the
लिया।
paste of.
आप प्याज नहीं यूज करें।
नहीं, प्याज यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं इसके अंदर.
अविनाश ते लवंगा आणि ती तेजपत्ता आणि तो टोमॅटो जो बरो एक वास येवपाक लागला.
Now I'm gonna put some water in this. I'll put some sugar in it. Okay. Seasoned it with the salt. You can see there is some oil coming out from the gravy. That is the time you can reduce the flame of the range. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some cream in it. Now add the potatoes in it. Give a nice boil though a little. Okay. I'll wait get potato is cooked nicely. When our gravy is also cooked properly. This is our presentation of the Dum Aloo Kashmiri.
So this was our yet another journey in search of good food and only good food.
हॉटेलांतली कांकणां ही दिसान दीस कमी जायत चल्ल्या आणि ती दाखोवपाचो आमी एक प्रयत्न केला. हो प्रयत्न कसो आसलो हे कळोवपाक मात्र आमकां विसरो नाका.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
आतां तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
Bite, eat and always stay connected with us.
आणि एक काम करात, दर शुक्रारा सांजे 7:30 वरांचेर 9:30 वरांचेर बायटीट प्रोग्राम मात्र पळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
या फावट बायटीट चुकला आसत जाल्यार लॉग इन टू www.prudentmedia.in and keep watching Prudent.
6 o'clock finish.
Chicken रे.